Hello everyone and welcome back to another CapCut mobile tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own project. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CapCut mobile application on your device. And once you are logged in, tap on the edit button to go into the edit page. Now within this page, you will see the new project button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be prompted to allow access to your storage. Tap on the allow button and now you can select your photos and videos from your gallery. You can tap on the HD checkbox to enable HD editing and then tap on the add button once you have chosen all your media. Now you will be taken into the timeline page where you can begin your edits. Now if you wish to change the aspect ratio, then from the bottom section simply swipe to the right and you will see the aspect ratio option. You can tap on this and choose from the various different presets to make your edits right away. Once you are done with your edit, you can tap on the export button. And if you close the project at any time, it will be saved automatically within your device. And there you have it. That is how you can create your new project on the CapCut mobile app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.